Students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer, and in today's video, we are going to go through the exercises of chapter 3, uses of a computer. Okay, so students, let's revise once that what we had learned in this chapter. So students, we had learned that what are the places where computer are being used and what are the things that we can do on a computer. Okay, so we had learned that we can do so many things, a number of things on a computer, like appreciating a song or watching cartoons or completing a document or keeping the records of students. And computer are using in so many every sectors of our life, in so many sectors of our life, such as the home, the office, the school, at the school, at the hospital, at the shops and malls. Okay, so everywhere computer are being used nowadays. Okay, so in this chapter we will complete in this today's video we are going to complete the exercises of this chapter. Okay, because we had already completed this chapter, but now we are going to complete the exercises of this chapter. Okay, so students, firstly, take out your computer book and open chapter 2. Okay, open chapter 2, page number 17. Okay, open chapter 2, page number 17. Now what is our chapter name, students? So our chapter name is uses of a computer. Okay, our chapter name is uses of a computer. Now here first exercise is exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Okay, exercise A is tick the correct answer. Okay, so in this exercise you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, you have to choose the correct option and you have to tick it. Okay, now here the first question in this exercise is, in which place are computers used to do medical tests? Okay, here you can see, students, 3 questions are given and each questions have 3 options, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, each questions have 3 options here and you have to choose the correct option and you have to tick it. Is that clear? Now first question, as I read it, in which place are computers used to do medical tests? So the students, now tell me, what are the places where the computer used for them doing medical tests? So we all know computers are used for doing medical tests in the hospital. Okay, so option A is shop, so this is wrong. Option C is school, it is also wrong because we do not do medical tests in schools. And option B is hospital, so hospital is the correct answer. Okay, so you have to tick on the hospital. Is that clear? Now move on to the second question, and the second question is, in which place are computers used for teaching and learning? Okay, so now students, tell me, which is the place where computers are used for teaching and learning? Is it office or hospital? No, we do not use computers in office or hospital for teaching and learning. So where we use it? We use it in the schools. Okay, we use computer for teaching and learning in the schools. Is that clear? Now School is the correct option. So you have to tick on the option A. Okay, you have to tick like this. Okay, is that clear, students? Now move on to the third question, and the third question is, where are computers used for keeping records of goods? Okay, so where are computers used for keeping records of goods? So which is the place where computers are used for the making records and keeping records of the goods? So is it home? No, we do not keep record in the computer at the home. Is it school? No, it's also wrong. So the correct option is option C. Okay, the correct answer is option C. So you have to tick on the option C like this. Okay, very good. Now move on to the next exercise, and the next exercise is exercise B. Okay, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So here you can see, students, a box is given. Look at this box in your book, and here 4 words are given in this box: music, computer, cartoons and shops. 4 words are given in this box, and you have to choose the correct word from this box, and you have to fill in this given blanks. Okay, is that clear? Now let's start with the first sentence. So the first one is, a dash is a useful machine. So what is a useful machine, students? Is music useful machines or cartoon? So these all not machines. The machine is a computer. Okay, the computer is a machine. So what you will write here? You have to write computer over here. Okay, you have to write computer over here. Is that clear? Now move on to the next one, and the next one is, the computers are used to print bills in dash. So where do we use computers to print bills, students? Music, or it is cartoon? No, we use computer to print bills in the shops. So shops is the correct answer. So you have to write shops over here. Okay, you have to write shops over here. Is that clear? Now move on to the next one, and the third one is, a computer can be used to watch dash. Okay, so for what we can use a computer? Okay, what we can watch on a computer, students? We can watch music? No, we can't watch music. Okay, so we can watch cartoon on a computer. So cartoon is the correct answer. So write cartoon over here, students. So you have to write cartoon over here. Okay, what is the spelling of cartoon? The spelling of cartoon is CARTOON, cartoon. Okay, very good. Now move on to the next sentence, and the next one is, we can listen to dash on a computer. So what we can listen on a computer, students? Can we listen cartoons on a computer? No, we don't listen cartoons, we watch cartoons. Okay, now next one, stops. It is also wrong. So the correct answer is music. Okay, the correct answer is music. So you have to write music over here. Okay, you have to write music over here. So write it here. Okay, what is the spelling of music, students? The spelling of music is MUSIC. Okay, MUSIC. SIC, music. Very good. Now students, you all have to complete these exercises in your book. Okay, I hope you completed it with me, and you have to learn these exercises. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to learn these exercises. Now students, see you in the next video lesson. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.